Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, do you want to know how to get free COD points? Basically, any of the COD games, this is going to get you 10,000 COD points for completely free. They usually cost a bunch of money. I think 10,000's around $100 usually. So this is going to save you a lot of money, and it's super easy. It takes just a few minutes to get your free COD points. So there's absolutely no reason not to do this, and like I said, it works for COD Mobile as well. So I'm going to be running through these steps in the tutorial, so make sure you follow along. Yo guys, so let me show you how to get your free COD points or free CP. So you got to go to Google or whatever, the internet on your phone, and type this website exactly how I'm going to type it here: www.wavycoupons.com. So Wavy Coupons, guys, you've got to search this website and look for this page here. Now, this website has lots of stuff, so you can go to this search bar at the top of the page here and just type in COD points, and you're looking for COD points redeem codes. So this is going to get you a code which is going to credit you 10,000 free COD points, and this works for COD Mobile as well as Warzone, Modern Warfare 3, whatever game or platform you play on. So you've got to press show code, and you're going to see this pop up, 10,000 free COD points. And basically, guys, the code has been protected, so you can see you need to personally unlock your code. So you got to tap the unlock code button, and basically when this gets to 100%, it's going to show a new screen. I'm not going to do it because I've already got pretty much 100,000 COD points or more. So basically, guys, I'm going to save this for you. You need to press show code and then unlock code, and you're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your COD points code. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Just make sure you follow through the instructions. You basically got to verify that you're a real person. So yeah, that's going to save you a bunch of money. Let's just have a quick search. How much are COD points? COD points. So 5,000 is around, what's that, about $35 US. So yeah, 10,000 is gonna pretty much save you about $50, I suppose. Yeah, so that is how you do it, guys. You got to go to wavycoupons.com and yeah, select your COD points. You just got to search for the COD points page in the search bar. Pretty easy. They've also got lots of other stuff. So yeah, enjoy, guys, and let me know if you need any help in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.